Hi, my name's Emma and I work for the sales team at Ceiling Tiles UK under the Workplace Interiors Group. Just want to talk to you today about the advantages of using metal ceiling tiles. One of the main reasons you're more likely to find these in high-end properties and offices because they are very design-led, and also they can offer various acoustic options. They are structurally robust as well, so in comparison to mineral fibre tiles that may break when you come into contact with them, these have fantastic durability. There are two main types of metal ceiling tiles: clip-in ceilings and lay-in. This is an example of a lay-in tile. With reference to the clip-in, these are mostly in areas where you want to resist access into the void, such as in prisons, or perhaps you want stability in commercial kitchens. You'll find that the cost of these is significantly more than your average mineral fibre ceiling tile, as you're paying for sort of the premium finish and all the acoustic options as well.